Hi everyone. Today I am starting a new series on quick tips for Unity. This is just short videos that are going to cover things that maybe you didn't know about Unity that will help you be more productive. So what we're going to look at today is something called Mode Tint. People have been using Unity for some time will know that one of the great things about Unity is that when you're actually running the game, you can change settings to tune how things work. So this game here, which is actually a demo scene from a asset package called Corgi Engine, which is it's pretty good. I'll put a link to it. This is now running and we've got a little corgi here and he jumps like that. What we can do is say that I'm not happy with that, how high he's jumping. I can go over here and I can change this to, let's say, 10. And now he jumps up 10. Maybe that's not enough and I can put it up to 20. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, I like that. But if I forget what I'm doing, if I stop playing, and then I start playing again, we find that my corgi's back to jumping 2 again, which is not what I wanted. And if I'd been in play mode and I'd changed quite a few settings, I would have lost them all, because the play mode, the ability to change settings only works while it's in play mode. And if you think about it, that's the behaviour you want, really. So one thing that we can do to make it really obvious what mode we're in is we can go into preferences and we can change the colours and we can set something called the play mode tint. So if we made that, I know, something like that, okay, come out of there. Now if we play the game again, you'll see it changes the UI and gives it this red tint. And now you get a visual indicator that whatever settings that you change while you're in here are only going to last while it's in play mode, and that's pretty cool. Okay, that's today's tip. Thank you.